I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Okay, Mumbai, Maharashtra. So, have you met any celebrity there?
I never met. I seen Kareena Kapoor, Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli.
Okay.
You are a working professional or a student?
I do teaching at my home as well as I am running a YouTube channel. So, you can say I am content creator.
Okay, that's great.
So, if you permit
That's
me,
great.
can I record this conversation for my YouTube channel? If you are comfortable,
It's
then.
it's depending upon you. If you think I am communicate well, you can. Otherwise, you don't. I'm a beginner level communicator, or not a native one. And this is, I think, eighth or ninth call. So
Okay.
I think this is a good app to improve your communication. You know, in UP and Maharashtra, we most of the times spoke in mother tongue, our regional language.
Yes, yes.
So there is hardly anyone who speak in English.
Yes, but I think this conversation will work for them who are beginners and who really want to learn English. So, here I want to ask from you, what is the real purpose of our life? What do you think about it?
Basically, we learn from scriptures or some of elderly persons. We are here to do our karma. Karma means just basically it's our work. Basically, do the good things in life, provide food, shelter, clothes to our family, our dear ones, and very kind to every living being.
Okay.
Uh, Animals, small insects, everyone. You have a kind personality. That is the ultimate goal of life. It's my perspective. I don't know what's your perspective is different. Someone's is different, but it's my perspective.
You are right at your place, and everyone has different point of view. So,
And what about you? What your thoughts on it?
I thought always that who we are, why are we here, what's the point, why are we living on this earth? But you told me that karma is our center because we are living our life just because of karma. We have to do a lot of things in our life, which God tell us that you should do and that. I think so.
Yes.
I know I am not able to tell you, that's why I'm asking to you. But sometimes I am confused of which things should I do, which things should I not do. So, what's your opinion about it?
Nowadays, I'm reading a lots of book. Basically, it's on spirituality.
Okay,
So I learn only good things of life. Basically, what you do, do with the good intentions. Whether you are doing anything, whether you are cleaning your clothes, whether you are talking with some other unknown person, whether some young girl is walking in front of you, just your intention should be clear, not a vulgar. You just very kind to her. It's not dirty thoughts on your mind. This sort of things uh, in every aspect of life you have to do only good things. It will give you a compounding interest. You know the compounding interest. It will give a good effect on your life.
okay,
There is a one force in the world, whether you can call it a god, whether you can call it a nature, whether you call it some unknown force. There is that unknown natural force, or you can say God. It will help you when you did a good karma. That's why I always said a karma. Karma is in every part of the world, every human being center point. Not in a Hindu community, it is also in Islam, also in Jainism, also in Buddhism. You have to do only good things. You don't bother what can I do. Sometimes, you know, bad things, good things. Not do your own things. Do just good things. Try to be good. We are human beings. We are not a machine, so sometimes we can do, other
Okay.
things also. So just you have to control your bad karma.
Okay, okay, Virat. You seems to be very positive person, and I would love to talk you further.
How is the weather in your locality?
Uh,
Basically in UP.
it is very hot today. There is a very hot in UP.
Okay, similar in Maharashtra also. Here is an almost 40, 42 degrees.
Okay.
So lots of sweat and lots of heat.
Virat, I think you are a spiritual person, if I am not wrong.
I'm not that much spiritual, but I'm believing spirituality. I'm believing positivity in life because you won't believe I am resides in Mumbai, and I face a very tough situations in life. Someone who resides in Mumbai, you know, people thought here is a dream city,
Yes.
Bollywood city, but here is some people who struggle a lot to earn a food. So I struggle a lot. So I always in my life think positively.
So that's why I would love to talk to you because somewhere I wanted to go Mumbai.
Kashyap, I think call will disconnect soon because I haven't subscribed yet and I hardly had 12 minutes. So almost 11 minutes are done.
Okay,
And
okay, you can disconnect it.
have a nice
Nice to
time, man.
talk. Okay, nice to talk to you.